Hi there guys, very glad you could join us. It's Simon at DM Keith Suzuki. I'm over at Ashton-under-Lyne on this gorgeous day and I'm filming this beautiful 23 registered SZL Swift. 2023 Swift 1.2 self-charging mild hybrid. It's finished in the pearl pure white. If I can just get the camera and you'll see the pearlising on the bodywork. It is an exquisite example as this one. Every body panel, every wheel stitch on the threads, plastics on the switches is immaculate, absolutely immaculate. Very good reason for that. It's done 3,400 miles in 2 years, so it's done about sort of 1,700 miles a year. I did that last week. Every wheel, like I say, is perfect, and the colour's just beautiful. On a day like today, you really can see it at its best. I loved my SZLs. I really did. I have many of this car. I used to typically get about 56 to the gallon out of them without any real effort on my part, but very honest car, great to drive, safe. It's got the dual brake support system, sending a little beam out of the front of the vehicle just to monitor things in front of you, like your distance when you're on cruise control. It can hold a fixed distance, even if the speed of the car in front sort of going up and down a little bit. Very clean. Swift seats are amazing. You can spend days in them. I literally used to do, and 5-6 hours a day driving is perfectly normal for me, and just to get out of it at the other end and not have a back niggler was really something, I've got to say. And it's well spec'd, is this, because of you putting an SD card in as the gentleman as well. So we've got navigation already up there, super job provided, colour reversing camera, Porsche, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, full DAB radio. Navigation wise guys, it's great to run your maps through there because you can get really up to the date, up to the minute with them. Plenty of switchability beneath there, and automatic headlights, adaptive cruise as mentioned, speed limiter for the built up urban areas, just a lovely thing. And oh, cherry on the cake, full tank of gas, first to win. Hey, so 3,395 miles, full year of warranty under the used approved Suzuki scheme. And then guys, because it's such a low mileage car, in a year's time bring it back to us, have a proper service done on it, and then what will happen is we'll trigger you another year of warranty with the roadside assistance, and on until the early part of 2030. This car could be under warranty simply by having it serviced, you know, by a proper Suzuki dealer each year. Putting links into the description box like I've done has made life a bit easier. Customers have come back to us and said that was great. So if you go into the description box at the very end, there'll be a click on link guys. You could reserve cars, request test drives, move them between our 4 Suzuki sites. That's Keighley, Ashton-under-Lyne, Huddersfield or Bradford, and you could ask any questions you may wish to ask, things like road tax and whatnot. But whatever you're doing, have a fabulous day. It's Monday, we're back to the treadmill, but it's not a bad one, is it? So let's get stuck in and enjoy the job. Drive safe as always guys, take care and all of the best.